What's up guys, this is a quick video on the Makita MakPak Type 2 case 821550-0. So right guys, I've actually bought this from Amazon and I paid £19 for it. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below just in case if anybody needs any more information or if you want to actually buy one. So I've actually bought this for my Makita Orbit sander which I bought. So the actual sander I've bought, it doesn't actually come with a storage case, it only comes in a cardboard box. So that's the reason why I bought it. So I'll just let you have a quick look. This is my Orbit sander and it fits in there perfect. And I'll get the sanding discs and other stuff in there as well. So right, what can I tell you about it? The actual size of this box is 396mm length and the width is 296mm and the actual height is 157mm. So all these boxes, they're actually made to be stacked on top of each other and they all lock into place. So where you see these hinges here, it's got the same on the bottom here and on the side of it as well. If you can see the hinges on the side here. So to unlock it, you just pull these down. Pull the side ones down. And that's what the actual case looks like inside. Like I said, you can stack these on top of each other. So if you can see these notches here, there's two on the side as well for each of them. And all you do is like this locks into place like this. That's what you do for a single unit. But when you're stacking them on top of each other, what you'll do is you'll pull this up like this, and that will lock it into place and lock the box itself, and it will lock into the next box, which will have these kind of locking system on the top of it, so they'll stack on top of each other. So right, you can actually get four or five types of these Makita MakPak cases, and they're all in different sizes. And what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description below of this one and the other ones as well, just in case you want to buy a different size one. They do actually do bigger ones, one actually small. There's a type 1, this is a type 2, and there's a bigger one which is a type 3 and a bigger one which is a type 4. I don't know if they do any other ones, but I will check it out, and if I do find them I will put them in the link in the description below. They do actually do a Makita Trolley for it as well with wheels on it. And that slots into place as well. They all slot into place so that you can move all your tools from one job to another. So that's really good. I do really like these boxes. But there's not much more I can tell you about it. It's just a heavy duty case and it's a Makita case. And like I said, I paid £19 for it, and for £19 it's well worth it. It's better than leaving your tool in the back of the van or in the back of the car rolling around, banging around. At least it's safe in the box and you can take it from one job to another with all your bits and pieces. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody out who's thinking about buying a Makita MakPak case. And thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.